What is up, guys? Jamaica Worst Gamer here for another episode. But today we have a surprise. So today, for those who know me, know some have kids. So I'm gonna make my 8-year-old son play Fortnite for Uno because Uno always asking to play Fortnite, and I'm not on the Fortnite because I'm not Fortnite, I'm Fortnite day. I'm telling you already. So I'm gonna make my son play the game, make him introduce himself and do him thing. You understand? So here we go. Introduce yourself.
Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you guys post notification, subscribe, like the video, and you'll see more content. So let's hop into this game. Make sure you follow my dad on Instagram and JWG Nation. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get it! Wow, loads of people are going salty. That's like a sweaty place. Sweaty. That's for salty people. Any person? Okay, I think 3 people or 2 people are landing with me. Let me beam this guy out of the air. Wait, what? Let's go! 1 kill already for the start of the game. You can't do it like that. The beast. Next person coming. You think you can get me?
Got him! Got him!
Woo! Let's go, 2 kills off the bat. Master. Actually, let me take back my one. Let me drink up the big pot. Now, time to take out the next person. I think. Let's go next chest. Hope I get a shotgun. Well, take the next AR instead. I'll take the next AR instead. Right, so she's gonna have to be my AR then. Fine by me. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's get some loot. Loot up. Yes, pumping. So, oh, see a big pot in the distance, and there's a person in the distance. Or is my eyes bugging? I'll take that. Still. Wait, what? I saw. Okay, my eyes are bugging. I saw a person, but whatever. Let's just continue looting up. Have the nice glory light. And get this ammo. Get this chair. Drink up the big pot. Okay, now let me loot up this house and the cars. Because I know there's like 2 chests here. Probably I opened one already, or someone else opened one already. And stay tuned to the end of this video. Oh, mythical chest. What am I gonna get? Oh, the worst thing in the game. The pistols. Yay. Let's go. Let's get back my 6 minis. Yeah, I just realized I can just harpoon the minis to me. That's much more smarter. Gonna get, wow, I have loads more chests to search. Let me take that, thank you. Let me take that, thank you. Lovely jubbly. If I guess this weapon, you guys have to like, subscribe, turn on notification as well. Green tack. But still do it. So let's get this chest and get them 2 chests. Woo! Actually, maybe a better instead at this rate. Let's go. Nani? Well, surprising. Tax are better than pumps. Well, that game I wasn't on my game. That was just a bot. And at that rate, I just was, wow, I was just a bot. An absolute bot. Now I'm gonna hop into a map. Ooh, fishy, fishy on me, fishy on me, fishy on me. Okay, now, where should I go? Where should I go? Where should I go? Is it lazy? Yeah, I think it's gonna be a lazy. Actually, frenzy. That was my favorite place to go. Before Shark, your agency, Grotto and Red came. The first thing when they came in, I went to the Shark straight away. Because the Shark just sounds wow. The Shark just sounds adventurous. But then I saw loads of like bots, like henchmen. Then I said, wait, what is this? This is just supposed to be a actual place. Let's get that. Grey pump, don't really care. At least I have a weapon. I still don't like tack, so I'm not gonna take the tack. Nope, I'm stuck. Okay, fine. Okay, you guys probably don't know that there's a chest up here, but now there is. Wee. A golden taki. A taki-waki. A golden taki-waki. Let me get this. Why does the storm come in so fast? Let me just take this pistol for my long range. Because I can't find anything else. Chest is up here. Somewhere. Ooh, chest up here. Before you guys do anything, before you guys watch this, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Okay. I'm drinking up this big pot now. Okay. Comment down below if I should push the fight or not. Oh, other people down. Oh, that's probably a henchman's. Okay, let's go. Let's get some materials. Let's go. Let's get it. I still need to find the AR. This is just atrocious. Wait, what's that? Is that? Let's go. Let's get it. An AR. Imagine I just get a scar. And imagine I did. Oh, let's break this, see if anyone's inside there. Okay, nope. I have literally automatic opening doors, like, so annoying. Just wish I could just take it off. Wow, behind me, really? Wait, what? He's low. What? Oh my god. Wait, what? Is he glitching something? Because the first shot I shot at him, it didn't hit for nothing. Should I return back to lobby? Because he's invited me. Return back to lobby or pregnancy. I'm going lazy this time, guys. Back in the lab. Jump. Comment down below what your favorite place to land is. Oh no, I think they're coming. Probably sweat. Let me see. I can't see them. Too far. Going just blind. Alright, there's someone right here. Oh, I tried to land that chest, but couldn't. Okay, now I'm gonna get this. There's one person. Saw one person land here. 2 people now. Hear people gliding. Now let's go. So he doesn't come in and sneak up on us. Really? Wow. Ah! Someone else is on me as well.
You're dead!
No! How? I just took too long to pick up my weapons. Lucky Raven Deadpool skin. Lucky. So, what place should I land? I think if I'm going over shark, this time I'm gonna go shark. If I'm going over shark. Wow, just wow. Stupid. You guys comment down below what your favorite skin is. Dream Fates. Yeah, I'm going agency. Going agency this time. Okay, let's go. Let's get it. Comment down below what you guys' best mythic weapon is. Comment down below what your favorite mythic boss is. Why are there so many people landing here? I'm going over here to try and go to the sweaty sands before anyone just shoots me in my back. SMG, green SMG off the bat. Let me get these chests in here. Let me get the materials. SD. Okay, what's in this chest? Hopefully a shotgun. And no. Let me get these mini doors. Don't mind some minis. I'm gonna rush. I'm gonna go to these houses over here. I'm gonna go to Lucky's thing. Lucky's lighthouse. Oh, battle core. The battle hall. Whatever it's called, the battle hall. Now let's push to these houses, see if there's any people here, try and get them. Wow, 100 people was here, now there's 65 already. That's one of the threats in here, and I really don't want to go up against them. I'm still a bit rusty. Let me get these chests. Okay, let me get this one quickly. Green pump. Okay, where's this next chest? Let me just get this chest instead, actually. Probably this was the chest this whole entire time. Let me drop this one in because I can put different stuff inside my slots. Yeah, that would. Let me check up here. See if there's a chest here. Wow, where is the chest then? Oh, there's probably a next bit. Let's farm these materials. Lovely. Big pot. Don't mind if I do. Oh, I think I'm gonna push to circle when it hits 20 seconds. Because I need to still loot Lucky's house. Hopefully I can get like a launch pad or something so I can launch. Actually, wait, can I break it? Yes, I'm gonna break it. Might take a long time, but it's good. I'm gonna break the Lucky's house, but it might take a long time, so. Oh no, the storm's gonna come in. Yeah, it's coming. Wait, let me see. Yeah, it's probably going slow. Let me get all that. Ooh, let me get the ammo. All lined in here. Wow. And there's still more stuff dropping. Okay, so let me... Wait, I'm going the wrong way. Okay, so now I'm going to circle. Might take a long time. Wow. That is a far circle. Ah, man. Why? Okay, let me loot this screen, this blue house. Get materials. Okay. Let's go. Wow, loads of ammo. The best ammo. Okay, wait, is there a chest above me? Yeah, there's a chest above me. Let me get this chest. Okay, let's move to the circle. Wait, the helicopter coming, okay. Because if they was landing on me, I would have hijacked it or something. If they was landing on me, I would have hijacked it or something. Let me search these two chests, see if there's any crash pads in them. Let me get that material quickly. Let me get that material. Instead of landing a shark, I actually landed 2 different places and I actually got very good loot. Not bad. Okay, no crash pads out of any. Oh, I'm taking out from the big pot. No, let's move. I need to go super quickly. That was the wrong position. Oh my god, I'm just wasting my crash pads. Let me see if I can get down there quicker. Yes. The toilet portal. Already present. But at least please say there's no girls or no people there. Okay, I landed there. Great. At least it's nothing. If no one landed pleasant. Wow. Okay, someone definitely landed pleasant. Look at that build fight. Wow. Nearly at the circle. Wait, shall I try? Let me try and go to push to risky. Let me try and push to risky quickly. $25 people. Wow, 25 people left already. My load is actually good. I'm stacked with materials, stacked with some ammo. Let me take that big pot. What's right there? I see there's a big pot in this as well. Okay, now. Wow.
Be loud, be loud.
Yeah. Hear a helicopter on me. Make sure I just wanna, at least it might not come for me. Wow, people are shooting and I'm coming. Whoa, where are they shooting from? Wow! My shots didn't. Okay, that was a good time. If you guys didn't like, subscribe, and turn on notification, make sure you do it now, and you guys will get better content. Peace.
So guys, that was the end of the video. That's my son, like I said, playing Fortnite. Coming up play Fortnite. My thing there, GTA, as you know. So this was his second episode, guys. So please, if you like the video, please leave a like on the video. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell when time I post a post, and make sure you answer the wriggle them when me ask to get a shout out as well. So guys, I will see you over GTA again. Peace.
Peace.